Hi, and welcome to this short video showing how to perform the factory default procedure on a turbine kit. This procedure applies to these products. To perform this procedure, all you need is the kit, a switch with PoE, a network cable, a push button, and a speaker. Before the procedure can be performed, the push button must be connected to input 1 and the speaker must be connected to the speaker output. Start by pressing the push button and keep it pressed while inserting the network cable into a PoE port on the switch, thus powering the kit. After a while, the kit will start counting. Release the button immediately when you hear 1. The kit will continue to count. When it speaks 3, press and hold the push button again for a static IP address, or let it continue to 5 to get a DHCP given IP address. The turbine kit will now confirm the factory reset by speaking 0. The procedure is now complete, and the button can be released. The turbine kit reboots with the default settings. Press the push button again and the kit will speak its IP address. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos from the Zenitel Academy.